Hi, this is a video for Stockport Sling Library, and today I'm going to be just showing you how to use a Marsupi Carrier. Where's the tag book? I'll show you their name. Marsupi, there. You can see. This is a really good little carrier if there are, well, for anybody, but also perhaps if there are any mobility issues, because it's just all Velcro and very, very simple to put on. They do come sized, and this particular one is a large size. Which is quite big. A medium size would probably fit most people of an average kind of size, but I'm going to show you how to use it with a large. It does come with an extra strap which you can use to put around the base of the carrier to cinch it inwards for a smaller baby. But I'm not going to be using that today because I've got my babies about 3 to 6 months age. So you'll see here on the front it's loads of Velcro, and that's basically where the straps are going to come around and fasten onto there. So I want to make sure that the Velcro is on the outside here. So with the strap, what I'm going to do, the waistband is like this. I'm just going to turn it inwards and put it on around my waist there. Now, because it's Velcro, the shorter end I'm just going to wrap around my back, and then the longer end I'm just going to wrap around me nice and snugly and just put the Velcro around there, okay, until it feels nice and snug. You'll then see that the rest of the carrier is hanging downwards like this, and then we're going to go ahead and pick up baby. So pick up your baby, place them on your chest. Make sure baby's sitting nice and centrally across the waistband with their legs up. Ideally you want both their arms up to be like this. Then all you're going to do is, whilst holding the baby here with your hand, get this buckle panel and slide it upwards. Okay. Now I'm just going to start with one shoulder, so this over your shoulder, swap hands, keep your hand around here. And then you're going to reach behind with this hand. I'll just swivel around so you can see. And you're going to grab hold of the strap. Excuse me, you're going to pull downwards. And then you're going to bring it round. Now you'll see under here that there is, I'm just going to come forward so you can see, the top layer of Velcro. And that's where you're going to start with this. And you just put the Velcro, slide it across. Okay. You feel that you need to readjust it, so it's nice, feels nice and tight. Then, excuse me, with the other buckle, other strap, round, give it a good pull, bring it round, and then layer it. You'll feel there's a second layer of Velcro here. Layer that across there. Okay, now I've got a few extra tabs there, so I'm just going to tuck that in so it's not on the way. Now you can see there that the carrier is coming up quite high, and I don't want it really any higher than the top of the baby's ears, so I certainly wouldn't want to be folding it in there. That would be too high for this baby, so this is absolutely fine for this baby. Just make sure that both their hands are up here next to their head, and because I've really pulled that downwards and pulled it across, it feels nice and secure. This should be on your shoulders. If you feel that it's not secure enough, then all you're going to do is unvelcro it, get hold, and just give it another pull downwards until you feel that tightening up across your shoulder and your back, and then re-stick it onto there, like there, like so. And you can do the same with the bottom one. If you feel that you need to pull it, just pull it downwards, bring it round, and snugly across there. So then you can just tuck those bits in if you want to. Okay, and just fold that downwards. And that's the waistband. You can just pop that under there as well if you don't want it. Just tuck it in under there if you don't want it flapping around. And that feels really nice and secure. The material's nice and straight on the baby's back. If I lean forwards, the baby is sticking to me, so if it wasn't tight enough and you leant forwards, the baby would basically swing away from you, and there would be a big gap between you your chest and the baby. That's how you would know that it's not tight enough, and you'd need to unvelcro and just pull down and tighten it up and put it back again. And this is what it looks like on the back. It's very comfortable. Baby can stay here for as long as you want, as long as there's, you know, regular feeding breaks, and that baby's legs are equally placed, that the material's going either side, and the baby feels nice and comfortable to take off. So all you're going to do is literally unwrap, just holding onto the baby's back, and then you can just pull it down. You can slide your hand inside, pull it off like so, put baby down, and then you're just literally going to pull and take off, and that's how you take it off. Thank you.